All right, the Associated Press is trying to change your perception of physical therapy, calling it the best kept secret in the health industry. A local therapist couldn't agree more, telling our Joe Habersham we can actually use it for body maintenance.
So anyways, okay, come on in, and what you're going to do, just go ahead and put your things down.
One of the first lessons Barb Park was taught on her path of becoming a physical therapist was to put yourself out of business. She's been failing at that for 30 years, but not for a lack of trying.
What the idea is to teach people how to self-manage, how to self-treat.
Park says many see physical therapy as a way of getting better after a surgery, but she believes that shouldn't be the case. Patients like Sue Needham have been coming to Back to Action twice a week for almost 2 years. Needham's regular visits are her way of combating MS breast cancer.
Instead of me becoming sedentary and going the other way, I think it maintains me to help me keep moving ahead. I'm not going to ever get better, but if I can hold on to the strength that I have, it's going to keep me on my feet a lot longer.
Ashley Reeves is back from Aquaca, traveling almost an hour and a half for her second Beamer session. She had recently been diagnosed with lymphedema and plans to come back because Back to Action is still the closest place she can get the treatment she needs.
I mean, easily like once a week for sure, especially like the more physical things I do, because that's what I was having trouble with.
So what you can do at home is you can raise your 1 foot up, hold it up as high as you can for about 3 seconds. You want to take a step, raise that foot up as you go again, and then take another step. And now an exercise like this helps with hip flexibility and also helps stabilization.
In maintenance therapy, everyone comes in with their own challenges and needs. But patients say if you're already on the fence, you should jump right in.
Try it. There's different levels, and you get better and stronger as you go along. And then you can add or subtract things as you need to. And to know that it's not going to be the same every week. Maybe you're going to have an off week, but that's okay.
In Davenport, Joe Habersham, WQAD News 8.
And Park says Back to Action is moving away from accepting insurance this year. Her office will use a cash-only system instead. And yes, they are still taking new clients.